Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for choosing our channel. If you want to start your social media marketing and attract your audience, I am introducing a very useful course. The name of this course is Marketing Guide, Social Media Marketing for Beginners, and with this course, you can get familiar with the basic principles of marketing. So far, this course has had over 2,000 students and has received a rating of 4.2 from these students. The course is in English and has recently received its latest update in 2025, and the creator of this course is Tariq Hajj. Let's review together what topics this course includes. Understand the fundamentals of social media marketing. Develop and implement a social media content strategy. Engage with audiences effectively. Measure and optimize social media campaigns. This course includes 1 hour of instructional video, and you can access the course on both mobile and TV. One of the great features of this course and this site is that once you purchase the course, you will have lifetime access to it. The good news is that upon completing the course, you will receive a free completion certificate. The original price of this course is around €50, but it is currently discounted to €14 for 1 day. But I want to teach you a way to get this course completely free. To do this, just open your browser and search for the site Top Off for You. The first result that comes up is our desired site. But make sure to find the site correctly by searching the name through the browser. And make sure to check the site link, which should be topofforyou.com. Enter the site, and I'll tell you how to get this course completely free. As you can see, this site includes many courses on various topics. We scroll on the main page of the site and find the desired course, Marketing Guide, Social Media Marketing for Beginners, and enter it. Inside the page, we scroll again and see that the course information is fully described on this page. By reading this information, we can better understand the course. So, to get the course, at the end of this page, we click on the Get Coupon option and are transferred to the Udemy site. You see that this time, we can get this course completely free, but note that this discount code is active for 4 more days, and after 4 days, the discount code will expire. So, to get this course for free, click on the Add to Cart option and easily receive and use the course. I hope you shine in the field of marketing, and this course will be useful for you. If you want to access various other courses on different topics, just go to the main page of the Top Off for You site and click on the Show More option to access the updated Udemy courses with a 100% discount code. Also, to make access easier, you can click on the Offers option and use the filters for categories, platform, and language to search for your desired courses. Thank you for always being with us. Don't forget to like and share this video. And to be notified of the latest 100% discount codes for Udemy, subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.